Hi guys, welcome to the Pep Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about conditional statements in Python. So the conditional statements in Python, we can use several conditions in Python. For example, A is equal to B. This is a condition. A is not equal to B. A is less than B. A is less than equal to B. A is greater than B. A is greater than equal to B. These conditions are generally used in if statements and in loops. These conditions return the true or false value if the condition is true or false. So we are going to use if statement. Let's see the if statement. Here I am going to initialize two variables by this value a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Now I am going to use if statement. If statement, the syntax is we use a if keyword. Here I am going to write the condition if b is greater than a, then a colon, enter. Here I am going to print b is greater. Let's run this. Here we can see this is a condition where b is greater than a. The value of b is 20 and value of a is 10. So 20 is greater than 10. Our statement turns to be true and it runs this line. It runs this line. Here there is one more thing in Python. After this colon, if you want to write something in the statement, if I start it right like this will give us a indentation fault. Let's see. Here, indented block, indentation error. So this is giving because we don't know the scope of this if condition. So in Python, it checks the scope of the statement by the spaces after the statements. This is a if statement. This statements after this statement is if statement is this print b is greater. Let's say b is 9. Let's run this. So here the condition is false, so this print line is not working. So here I'm going to use else colon. This means a is greater. If b is not greater, so a is greater. Let's run this. So here we can see a is greater. So this is the if else condition. There is one more condition we can use, else if it is elif. Elif, here we can give the values. A is greater than b. Let's say b is also 10. Let's run this. So here there are two conditions. If b is greater than a, so b is 10, a is 10. B is not greater than a. It will go to the next statement. Next statement is elif a is greater than b. Here 10, a is 10, b is 10. So a is also not greater than b. So we will use at the end else. This means if the above two statements are false, it will run the last else statement. So here we will print a and b are equal. Let's run this. So here we can see the last statement is working. So this is the if else conditions. Here this is if, this is elif, this is the syntax of writing these statements. There is another if else condition. This is shorthand if else. Let's see this condition. So let's change the value of b. Let's say it is 9. Shorthand if condition will run like this. Print a. We are printing the statements first, then we are checking the condition. If a is greater than b, else print b. Let's run this. Here this should be in one line. Let's run this. So it is printing here a is greater than b, so it is printing a. If I write a is less than b, so the condition is false, so it is printing b. So this is the another type of condition. Let's see one more condition, nested if. So nested if, we are going to see nested if condition in Python. Let's see. Let's say we have value a is equal to 10. Here I am going to write if a is greater than 10, or I am going to say a is greater than 9. Here I am going to use another if condition. This is the nested if. If a is greater than 20, print it is greater than 20, else it is smaller than 20. So let's run this. So here a is 10, the condition is a is greater than 9, so it is running this if condition. Now it is going to the next if condition inside the outer if condition. Here we are saying if a is greater than 20, so a is 10, so this condition false, so it will go to the else part, and it is printing this, it is smaller than 20. Let's then change the value of a. Let's say it is 30. Let's run this again. Here we can see it is greater than 20. The condition of this if is running. So this is the conditions in Python. Hope you understand this. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.